What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. As you guys can see, we took a trade and it was break even and price action sucked once again. I actually kind of am a little bit mind blown how price action's been these last few AM sessions. They've been just god awful garbage. Look at this. So 7 AM, that's the 10 o'clock. That's your AM session. That's AM session. Where's the move, right? Obviously we had a huge move at market open. But look, I don't know. Just garbage PA. Let's go back and take a look at yesterday's, right? So, right? Look at this. Garbage. Absolutely horrendous PA. Let's go back to the next day. This day wasn't too bad. There was just not much of an opportunity, and it wasn't really respecting and everything, right? We disrespected this, blah, 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 blah. I don't know. This week has just kind of been awful, and surprisingly, the only good day was No News Monday. Surprisingly, the only good day was No News Monday. But anyways, let's go over the trade because, that's kind of what we're here for, right? So, this one's pretty straightforward and pretty simple. As you guys can see, we have an unfilled 5-minute down below. Unfilled 15-minute down below. And then also, this is an unfilled 1 hour down here. And you can see we've pushed up, we're high into discount, or we're high in premium. Okay. So we swept up the highs here. We did not sweep up the highs on NASDAQ. Okay, so now what am I thinking? Well, obviously, I'm not longing this because we're so high into premium, and we just took out liquidity. We're going to be looking for shorts. Perfect. Unfilled 1 hour down below. All right. There's a target there. That's one of my targets I wanted to reach it down to. I was expecting price to come down to that. Then what do we have? Well, obviously we have an unfilled 15. We do have now an unfilled 1 hour, which obviously it's after trading hours. Will I think price still go down? Yeah, possibly. But I'm not in the trade. I don't want to take it because of how slow PA is. It should have reacted nicely off of that. But obviously we're respecting this 15 here, which is being an area of support. So anyway. So basically what I did was I just kind of was looking at the time frames. I was looking maybe to see a 1 minute entry down to the 5 minute, but obviously we didn't get anything. And the only trade that I kind of saw that we got was this fair value gap here. We inversed it on the 5 minute. So I told myself, okay, I'll enter and then I'll just remove risk at this internal low like normal. And then if it's truly wanting to go lower, it should rip through all that stuff. It shouldn't stall at the 15 minute. It may stall for a couple minutes, but it should go right through it and rip through that. Literally should fruit ninja that 15 minute and go right through, like I said. So clearly we didn't. Price action is just gross, honestly. If I even go to the 1 minute, you can just kind of see we're just chopping up, right? Slowly kind of trickling down. So yeah, runs out the internal low, taps that 15 minute, and then comes back up and takes us out at break even. So overall good trade. I would take this every single time I see this trade. I would take it. Execution was great. It was just price action hasn't been too ideal. And if this does run off without me, so be it. Then it's okay. I'm in the middle of back testing and also forward testing. So this will be something I'll mark down today. If moving the stop to break even is ideal or not, because I've noticed that a lot of trades hit that break even and then they run. Hit the break even, then they'll run. So is it worth keeping the stop at the high? Is it worth? I do know yesterday if I would have not moved my stop to break even, I would have lost 2 trades instead of break even. So saved me yesterday. The day before I would have hit take profit, and let's see if we hit take profit today, which it looks like we're starting to run. So yeah, overall, good trade. No complaints on this trade whatsoever. And yeah, happy Friday, everybody. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.